Hi Paper Crafters! Welcome to today's Crafty Question with Jo. I'm Joanne Rogers, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Alberta, Canada, and I've been designing with you in mind since 1999. Today's Crafty Question is, what is DSP? You hear it all the time, especially from us Stampin' Up! Demonstrators, so today I want to tell you all about it. DSP stands for Designer Series Paper, and it's patterned paper from Stampin' Up! It's created by Stampin' Up! Artists, and it's specially designed to coordinate with stamp sets, punches, and dies. For instance, this one here, called True Love, coordinates with the Forever and Always stamp set and the dies that go along with it. It also coordinates with the Always in My Heart stamp set and the dies that go along with it. So this particular paper, and how you'll often see it with us demonstrators, is that we will show you something like this that has a sample of all the different designs. So there are 12 sheets in a 12 by 12 pack like this. There are 6 sheets each of 2 double-sided designs. We also have 6 by 6 paper. This is an example here of one that has 40 sheets, and it has all the different colors of a color family. This one is one of our in colors, and so there are 4 sheets of each color, again, double-sided designs. We also have ones for our regular color families, and we have other ones that are just for different designs, also to coordinate with stamp sets or punches or dies. So how can you use Designer Series paper? So you can use it in card making, you can use it in decorating envelopes, you can use it in 3D items, scrapbook pages, pretty much wherever you want to use it. And what's great about it is that there are so many different patterns to choose from. Let me just show you a few. So you can have flowers. Here's a couple examples of different flowers. You can decorate your envelope to coordinate with your cards, which is what I've done here with this one, and for Christmas. So this is a cutout from Designer Series paper. There are images that have lots of different critters, like different animals on them. There are sweet treats. So we have some sweet treats like ice cream. We have dogs and cats. For Christmas and Halloween, we have little items that you can cut out. There are snowflakes, little snails, all kinds of different patterns in so many different colors. And then we have lots of different textures as well. So some really cool effects with our textures. I'll move these out of the way. Here's a more subtle type of one with different patterns on it. One for Christmas with a different pattern. So they really can liven up all of your card making. Snowflakes on this one. Here are very understated, frosty look, and they can be cute and they can be colorful too. So there are so many different ways that you can use our Designer Series paper that you are going to want to add them to all of your handmade designs. You might also wonder about specialty Designer Series paper and what that is. So like our regular Designer Series paper, it is pattern paper from Stampin' Up! That has something that's just a little bit unique about it. So this one, called Ornate Garden, has foil elements. So I'm hoping that you can see those there. So not every single piece of paper has it, but lots of them have foil elements. It could be acetate. So here's an example where we have foil acetate, and usually or sometimes you'll see that it's colored one color on one side and a different color on the other. Here's another example of foil with our World of Good paper. It could be pearlescent paper like you see on this one here. It could have flocking. It could have anything, and there may be all kinds of things that Stampin' Up! Is coming up with that we don't know about. What you're also going to love is that every one of the papers coordinates with our exclusive colors. So when you look on the back of every piece of paper, on every package of paper, there's a listing of all of the different colors that are Stampin' Up! Colors. So your coordination is made so easy. So no matter what type of Designer Series paper you decide to pick up from Stampin' Up!, you are going to love it for all of your crafting. I hope you found this information useful, and if you did, please like this video and also sign up for my newsletter. You can do that over at www.designwithjo.ca. And if you have a crafty question that you'd like answered, drop me a line at jo@designwithjo.ca. Thanks very much and have a great paper crafting day.